Hello friends, in this lecture we will make our contact form functional using PHP and ajax. I have already written the code for you in advance so that we don't waste any time. Now I will explain the code to you line by line. We have already created the contact form previously in our contact us section, right? Now let us go to main.js. See here dollar dot contact hash submit dot on click function. So it is searching for an element with an ID of submit inside contact class. See, this is the contact class and this is the ID of submit, which is the submit button. So it's waiting for an event of click on this button. Now after it got clicked, e.prevent default. It means we are disabling its default function, which prevents the page to refresh. Then we are storing some information values in variables. What informations? Name, email, subject, message. See here, name, email, subject, message. See the syntax where name equals dollar hash name dot val. So we are storing the name inside variable name, and in the similar fashion we are storing other informations inside other variables. Well, next we are creating another variable which is array variable. So where form equals new array, name, name, email, email. So that's it. Here we are storing the informations. Now we are sending ajax request $ajax type post. So what is this type post? This is the request type. Generally there are two types of request. One is get, another is post. So this time we are sending post type request. Then the URL where we are sending the request. We are sending the request to contact.php. Then data. This is action, and inside action we are storing the contact. Then form, the actual form. This is the array. Now dot done. When this request is done, dot done function data. So when it is done, this function will be triggered, and this data is the value that is being returned from that request. So it is the response. So the response is storing inside data. Now what function will be triggered? This one, dollar contact dot result dot html data. So what it is doing, it is searching for a class of dot result inside contact, and its html will be, its content will be data. And then we are resetting the form by using this one, dollar dot contact form 0 dot reset. Okay, so let me explain one more time. First, it is waiting for a click event on the submit button. When it got clicked, first we are disabling its default action, which prevents the page to be refreshed. Next we are storing informations inside variables. Then we are creating an array variable of form, and we are storing those emails, names, all those things. Then we are sending the ajax request, and we are telling that the response which we are getting, that will be shown in dot result div, inside dot result. So after form, before ending the section, we are creating a div with a class of result. Here the data will be shown. So first write this code in main.js, then add a div of result here. Next comes the contact.php. $send to. Here you need to provide your email ID where you want emails to be sent. Currently it's mine. If you don't edit, all the emails will be coming to me only. Okay? Now dollar action. Dollar action equals dollar underscore post action. Remember we passed it, it's contact. Then we are retrieving name, email, subject, message. Dollar name equals dollar underscore post form 0 name. So like this we are retrieving other values. Next we are checking whether any field is blank or not. So if dollar name equals blank or dollar email equals blank, so we are checking whether any of the field is blank or not. If it is, then echo there was a problem while sending email. Please verify enter data and try again. Well, let's add here for subject 2. Now, else means none of the fields are blank. Then we are storing the header information for our email. So dollar header equals from the sender, then email, and then reply to the sender email. Next, xmailer php version. Next, the actual email sending function. Dollar $sent equals mail, dollar $sent to, so where we are sending the mail, then subject, then message, then header. Now if dollar $sent, I mean if the message is sent, show the success message, else show the error message. Now we have these classes success and error. We need to style these, of course. Nothing, just success message color will be green and error message color will be red. So this echo message will be storing here as data. Next, this data message will be displayed here inside dot result div. So again I am explaining. Three things which you need to do are: number 1, div with a class of result should be there, and that too at the end of the form. Then submit button click function. So when the submit button got clicked, so you are waiting for an event of click on the submit button. Then what it will do? First it will prevent its default function, then it will store the variables, then create form array, next ajax request, then the response which it is getting from that request, it will be stored inside data and that will be shown in dot result div. Then in contact.php dollar send to, so where the email needs to be sent, then retrieve the values, check any of the field is blank or not, then send the message or send the email. If success, show the success message, if not, show error message. That's it. Now remember, you need to change the email in dollar send to. Okay. So let's refresh here. Come to contact.php. For experiment, click on submit. See, there was problem sending email. No page refresh. So it's purely Ajax response. It's working, isn't it? So let's fill these. So my name, Shupriya Kundu. Then let's provide my email ID. Then let's provide the subject, say web design, and message, say we would like to work with you. Anything you can write. Now click on submit. See, message sent successfully. Now email receiving time may differ based on email congestion or email or the traffic. Okay, I mean the network traffic. So it will take some time to come to our inbox. In the meantime, let's style our success and error class in reset.css. So dot success, color green, text align center, and of course font weight bold. Copy and paste and change dot success to dot error and color to our primary red color. Let's upload it in server. Let's refresh and check. See, there's a problem sending email. Well, let's make it P instead of div and provide a line break just above it. Let's make the font size 18 pixel. Again upload our reset.css and index.html to our server. Yup, it's fine. Now what do you think about text shadow? So dot success dot error text shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel 2 pixel hash 000. See, now it's prominent. Tagline, power of coding. Now just send another by providing values. See, message sent successfully. Now let me explain this style. Text shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel 2 pixel. So what it is? 2 pixel from horizontal, 2 pixel from vertical and 2 pixel blur. So 2 pixel horizontal, 2 pixel vertical, 2 pixel blur, and then hash 000 is the color code, which is black. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.